Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So tell me, are you looking for a compact electric car for city driving? The MG Comet EV has been one of India's most popular urban EVs. But now a new challenger is entering the market, the VinFast VF3. It's launching in India in October 2026. So which one is better choice? Let's compare them in terms of design, size, battery, range, features, performance and expected price. Starting with the design and road presence. The MG Comet EV has a futuristic boxy design with connected LED light bars at the front and rear, giving it a modern city car look. The VinFast VF3 looks like a mini SUV. It gets a boxy look, muscular wheel arches, 191 ground clearance, roof rails and a rugged stance that makes it look much bigger than it actually is. So if you want a stylish city hatchback, choose the Comet EV. If you prefer a compact SUV, look for higher road presence, the VF3 definitely stands out. Now the size and practicality. The MG Comet EV is extremely compact at under 3 meters, making it perfect for narrow roads and tight parking spaces. The VF3 is slightly larger, 1622 mm with a 2075 mm wheelbase and 191 mm ground clearance, making it more suitable for Indian roads with speed breakers and rough patches. Both are 4-seated. The VF3's taller cabin and bigger footprint is expected to offer slightly more practicality. Now the battery, performance and range. The MG Comet EV provides 17.3 kWh battery. Its claimed range is 230 km and tested range is 182 km. 41.42 bhp, 42 PS motor, 110 Nm torque, rear wheel drive, 0 to 100% charging in just 3.5 hours with 7.5 kilowatt charger, best suited for daily city commutes. And the VinFast VF3 offers 18.64 kilowatt hour battery. Its claimed range is up to 215 km NEDC, rear wheel drive, motor producing 43.5 PS, 0 to 50 km per hour, 5.3 seconds, fast charging 10% to 70% in 36 minutes, slightly higher ground clearance and SUV style driving feel. While both cars are designed mainly for city use, the Comet offers a slightly longer claimed range, whereas the VF3 focuses more on ruggedness and driving character. Now comes the features comparison. The MG Comet EV has dual 10.25-inch integrated display, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, connected car technology, internet features, keyless entry, digital key on top variant, reverse camera and parking sensors, top variants, digital instrument cluster, manual AC. VinFast VF3's expected India features are 10-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, manual AC, front power window, multiple driving modes. Connected features are expected, and 191 mm ground clearance. The MG Comet currently offers a more feature-rich and proven package with wireless connectivity. The VF3's India spec features will be confirmed closer to the launch. Now comes the safety. The MG Comet EV comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, tire pressure monitoring system, rear parking camera and sensors in top variants, 3-point seat belt for all 4 passengers. And the VinFast VF3's expected safety features are dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, ESC not confirmed for India spec yet. Official India spec safety features for VF3 are yet to be announced. Now come the price comparison. MG Comet EV's starting price is rupees 7.60 lakh ex showroom, goes up to 9.98 lakh for top variants, and the VinFast VF3's expected price is rupees 8 lakh to rupees 10 lakh ex showroom. VinFast may offer a battery as a service option which could bring effective starting price to rupees 7.50 lakh. The Comet EV will likely remain the more affordable option at the launch. So which one would you pick? The feature-packed MG Comet EV or the rugged new VinFast VF3? Let me know your choice in the comment sections below. And if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automobile comparison and the latest car update. Thank you so much.